The thing is, if you want to rank for products, you should put the keyword in the main image. Alright, we cannot write in a white part because Amazon have a strict guideline about it. Main image must not include text, logos, border, color blocks or watermark in the white background. So if you do, there is a higher chance Amazon's gonna restrict our listing. But you can use keywords on the packaging or you can stick tags similar to that one here you are seeing right now. And also you can always show props like this one where some ice cream is shown. As long as you are helping the customer and not making any strange or health related claims, you are generally fine adding things like that. Look, no one's going to complain that, hey, it didn't come with ice cream. People get that, it's just for display. Alright, so you want to have something that's going to help customer make the decisions, remind them what they are buying and showcase your product in a good light. Just think about it. Looking at this one, we all know that it's not just the only ice cream scoop that are on this page. There are probably thousands of ice cream scoop available. Many people come into Amazon and type ice cream scoop, and Amazon doesn't care about the brands here. Whether it is Belsey, Ergonomic, Oxo or whatever the brand is, Amazon want to show ice cream scopes that are more likely to turn into sales. And you don't get the sales unless people click. We often focus on what's on the listing itself, but think about it. When you are looking at a product that seems well optimized, you will have to make a quick decision. Do I want to click on this ice cream scoop? If you don't click, you won't buy. Simple as that. Now imagine how fast those decisions happen. There are so many products on page 1 and you quickly pick one that grabs your attention. The one you skip, you are not going to buy this. So that's why getting click is so important. And guess what? The main image is the biggest reason people click in the first place. Now the question is, what if competitors are priced like $10 to $15 and my product is $20 to $25? Well, that's a great question. Now let's break it down into two parts. First, no doubt that those products selling for 10 to 15 are getting more sales. But think about the bigger picture. How much money are they actually making for their inventory? Yeah, they sell faster, but their cash flow could be tight because they are moving so many units at a lower price. I'm guessing that a lot of these competitors are from Chinese sellers who may or may not get government help, though we don't really know, or US sellers trying to clear out stock or launch new product with plans to raise their price later. If your product is priced between 20 to 25, ask yourself, are you making good sales? Do you have reviews? Maybe you are okay with setting a fewer unit if you are making more per sale. Let's say your competitors sell 300 units, but you only sell 100 units. Even though they are selling more, their price is half of yours. But one thing to remember, their costs aren't much lower. Even if their product is cheaper to make, they still have to ship it to the USA, get it to Amazon and fulfill the orders. Those costs are pretty much the same of yours. They might save a bit if their design is smaller. They're still paying 15% of their selling price for FBA. Plus, advertising cost, their cost per click might be lower, but that doesn't mean they have saving more in a long run. Now let's say when everything is added up, they make 2 per unit and you make 8. If they sell 300 units, they make $600. But if you sell 100 units and make $8 each, that's $800. You are making more money with fewer sales and less inventory to restock. Does that make sense? This means sometimes it's not worth playing the game of who has the highest bestseller ranking. So think about it like this. What really matters is your profit. That's the bottom line. If your competitor is selling for $10 to $15, you should focus on showing why your product is better. You can create comparison chart like this one where you can compare with your other items. This will help customers make informed decision by analyzing key factors. You can showcase why these particular products are cost-worthy. Now, if your products give more value, highlight that. You can show it in your secondary images and even in the bullet points. Like this one, this is well optimized bullet points. But let's be real, most of us don't always read the bullet points. We just skim. But maybe some people do dig into the reviews and bullet points. So make sure provide enough information for both the skimmers and the detailed reader to understand why your product is worth the higher price. Got Amazon problem? No need to stress. We have got you covered here at Ecom Clips. Just click the link and get in touch with us. Whether you have looking to improve your listing, boost sales, or solve any other challenges, we are here to help. Shoot us an email at info@ecomclips.com and let's work together to make your store success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to level up your business skill. Alright, so that's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.